So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to withdraw from Stake. So basically, Stake is an online casino which is you could play right here and also do an affiliate and for you to able to withdraw money. So basically, this is a cryptocurrency wherein you could do a BTC or ETC or any cryptocurrency that is supported by the stake. So when you wanted to withdraw, for example, in Ethereum, you are going to select or pick the Ethereum coin. And once you click on that, just click on the wallet section. And this case, this will pop up on your screen if you're not yet verified or you did not have set it up your wallet. So basically, if your wallet is already set up and you have much cryptocurrencies right here and you wanted to withdraw them to any of the exchanger or wallet that supported the Ethereum, you just have to click on that and you will see the withdraw button right there and just click or paste the wallet address of the exchanger that you wanted to withdraw from. So for example, in Coinbase or Trust Wallet, Bybit like that. So make sure that you copy the correct wallet address, like for example, wallet address of the Ethereum, and make sure to paste it on withdrawal. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.